Hello, today I'm going to cook Coca-Cola chicken wing. The Chinese name is 可乐鸡翅. 可乐 is the Chinese translation of Coca-Cola. 鸡翅 means chicken wing. I'm Jenny from Easy Chinese. Yes, I'm going to use Coca-Cola to cook the chicken wing. American invented Coca-Cola, but probably it's Chinese invented this dish, Coca-Cola chicken wing. A simple, inexpensive, but delicious dish. First of all, I got 1 kilo of chicken wing. I recommend you use this part of the chicken wing. Now, the main seasoning for this dish, which is a can of original taste of Coca-Cola. Light color soy sauce, dark color soy sauce, Chinese rice wine. 3 slices of lemon and 1 piece of star onion seed. Now I'm going to trim off the edge, the skin of this chicken wing, because some small hair still there and I don't like this texture and taste. Leave this both sides, the edge of the chicken wing, and I also do a bit shallow cut both sides, 2 cuts on both sides. Now I heat up the frying pan. I will just use this spray, cooking spray. Then I put the chicken wing. You pan fry this chicken wings until the both sides change the color to golden brown. It takes about 5 to 6 minutes. And remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, Pinterest account, and also hit the notification bell if you like it. Thank you. After 6 minutes, both sides are nicely colored. So I'm going to remove this pan and put this wok on. Add about only 1 tablespoon of oil. And put in this star onion seeds. Fry about a minute until you smell, the nice fragrance come out. Now put back all the chicken wings. I'm not going to waste this thing. It's going to be a nice flavor, gives the chicken nice flavor. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of rice wine, 2 tablespoons of light color soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of dark color soy sauce. Put them in. Now I'm going to squeeze this lemon. And put it inside. Last, I'm going to put this Coca-Cola. After I put the Coke, I want to add about a teaspoon of salt. Mix a bit. Put the medium to high heat. Now I covered the wok with the lid for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, the sauce reduced, it's become a bit sticky, which is what I want. I'm going to sprinkle a bit sesame seeds. Looks great. Let me taste one. The sauce is sticky. The flavor well balanced. Very nice. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Pinterest account. I have many other delicious recipes. If you have seen my other videos of Chinese cooking, probably you have noticed that I always use these 3 ingredients: the light color soy sauce, dark color soy sauce, and Chinese wine. Well, if you want to really create authentic Chinese flavor, probably is not able to avoid this soy sauce, dark color and light color. But sometimes you can substitute the rice wine with the grape white wine, white color. But if you really want to create authentic Chinese flavor, I recommend at least you find these 3 ingredients in the supermarket: light color soy sauce, dark color soy sauce, and Chinese rice wine.